influencing, did you ever experience that you had an ad that all of a sudden plummeted, you had good sales and it was profitable, but then all of a sudden it doesn't work anymore? If you like content like this around Facebook and Instagram advertising, please give me a like and subscribe. But let's jump into it. And don't forget to stay till the end. I have something free I want to give you. But let's jump into it now. Yeah, did you ever experience that you had an ad that was working great, it was producing great results, and then all of a sudden performance just plummets, even though you didn't change anything? This happens because with cold audiences, you may be advertising to cold audiences, but there may be somebody in that audience, even though it's cold audiences, that actually did engage with your business before. So they're actually warm. And Facebook's algorithm is great at finding those people and serving those people your ad at first. And since they're actually warm audiences, but being in a cold audience group, then they are much more likely to purchase from you or become a lead than everybody else who never heard of you before. So you can get some great sales in the beginning when Facebook advertises to those people in the beginning at first, but then once those people are already exhausted from the audience, then you're advertising to a truly cold audience and then that's when your performance drops. What you can do about it is improve your offer. Have a great offer that even people who don't know about you can't resist. And also improve on your ad creative. Stuff like that will help your ad performance to perform better with the cold audiences. So hope it helps. Comment below if you have any questions. And before you go, then I have this free thing I want to give you. It's a free Facebook and Instagram advertising template for coaches and consultants. If you're making your own Facebook and Instagram ads, then you can download that completely free. There's a link in the description. Just go there and download it. If you want us to do all this for you, then we specialize in Facebook and Instagram advertising for coaches and consultants. You can book a call with me or my team to learn more about it. There's a link in the description. Also, please join our free Facebook group, Facebook advertising for coaches, consultants, entrepreneurs. Also, a link in the description. And don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, share it with a friend. Click that little notification bell if you're on YouTube. That way you get notified every time we upload a new video. Take care. Bye.